Hello, good day, good morning, friends. A happy new year again. Happy 2021. Glory. So good to be doing this live video again. Hope you like my new look. New look 2021. Okay, so like I promised, I want to do this live video will be brief and quick one. I promised I was going to be doing some live video on how to keep a healthy body in this year 2021. We thank God for 2020 and how it went. There were so many things. I pray for those that lost loved ones, that God will comfort their heart. And as we are all preparing for a new year, I pray that God will give each one of us a good health. But I quickly want to talk about something that I discovered about how to stay healthy and ensure that we don't fall prey easily to any kind of diseases that is ravaging up and down. And so we know that there are so many diseases coming up. Before it was AIDS, cancer and all. Too many things are just sprouting up, and the thing is, antibiotics are not helping issues like before. You know, all these antigens are just getting like they are getting more powerful than antibiotics, and it's getting much more higher. Different diseases are coming up every day and all, and so I was doing some research, like how do we guard against ill health and all. So I discovered that there is this way we can keep healthy, keeping a vibrant immune system. Now, our immune system is like, let me describe it this way, like when we have a nation has an army called soldier. Like the soldiers are the one that defend the nation, like from any attacks from any other nation. So also our immune system is like a soldier in the body that defends our body from all these attacks, diseases and all, from entering into our body. And even when our skin helps us to prevent all those antibodies, and when they eventually enter our body, maybe through eating or maybe bad hygiene and all. So this immune system is in the white blood cell. You know, the white blood cell, in biology we did white blood cell, red blood cell. I don't want to bore you with all these big names, but the white blood cell contains the immune system that helps guard against all these diseases and bacteria. So how do we help our immune system to be strong? Because if your the reason why people fall easily to any form of sickness and disease is because of a weak immune system. When your immune system is weak, then your body easily falls prey to any kind of diseases in town. So the best thing is for you to have a secured and effective immune system, so that your immune system does not get easily, is not able to fight against any form of diseases and all the threats in the environment. So how do you keep your immune system strong? So one thing I've discovered is there is this discovery that came out 50 years ago of how a scientist, his name is Dr. Sherwood, how he was able to transfer immunity from an individual to another. And that is what brought about immunization as well. You know, immunization is all about transferring immunity through someone that has been able to overcome this that person has been able to overcome that disease. So it is known, our immune system usually remember and recognize any kind of disease that has come before and is already fortified to attack that disease. So this person that has already overcome that disease is able to fight against that disease when it comes back. The immune system is able to fight against it. So Dr. Sherwood was able to use the immunity of this person into somebody else, and that person, and he used a kind of disease like tuberculosis, and that person was able to fight against that tuberculosis because the immune system recognized as if he had it before. So, and that is one thing they are trying to do with this vaccine as well. Like the people that have been able to overcome it, they would transfer their immunity to others so that they won't have that disease also. So, but there is this thing called transfer factor, because it was recognized that when a mother gives birth to a child, she passes her own immunity to the child, and this child was born without any immunity at all. So using this transfer factor, the mother is able to pass her own immunity to the child. That is why they usually say that give the child the first breast milk, called colostrum. And so when the child is born, the child is immune because the mom is able to give her the first breast milk, which is called colostrum, which has a lot of immunity cells that the body of the child can be able to withstand any form of disease. So there is this science research that used this same principle and developed something after that, and what they did was they used the colostrum of cow milk and from egg yolk to be able to develop this product and to be able to build up a strong immune system to help to fortify the immune system. And one thing is, let me give this example. If you have a soldier in a nation and the soldier does not have a gun, and the soldier is not active, or the soldier is not vibrant, or is not trained and educated, the soldier would not be active enough to fight any kind of attack coming. So also, that is what this company did. They extracted this colostrum from cow milk so that they can be able to make our immune system effective and be able to fight against diseases and any form of germs out there. So when your immune system is trained, educated, and very active, it will be able to easily, fastly respond to any form of threat. And this product has been seen to be able to speed up the immune system of 437%, which is so high enough to be able to make sure the immune system is very effective. And so I've been making several studies about this thing called transfer factor, and it's been so amazing. And we see it as this future of science. Now that different diseases are coming up, it is very important that we educate our immune system to be able to respond fast to any form of disease coming up every day. And so I'm going to be brief in this video, but I hope you've been able to catch the gist of what I'm trying to talk about. So to stay healthy in 2021, you need to make sure your immune system is strong. And so if you want to know more about the product I'm talking about, you can feel free to chat me up and I'll tell you more about it. And I'll still come your way tomorrow. And don't mind if I come in the middle of the night, like midnight, because I have other mommy responsibilities which may take my time, and I would not be able to. I don't want to give excuses of not showing up. so you would catch the replay and watch later. I hope you've been able to get a few understanding about what I spoke about today. Just a brief understanding, because I want this video to be very short and brief. Now I'll still come your way tomorrow to give more explanation on how we can get to know more about it. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you, Sahel. Thank you, Dazzling. Thank you, Malibogo. So good to see you on this live. Till I see you again next time. Take care. Keep safe. And God bless you. Love you. Bye.